and welcome back to MW Barbie Dolls. Today I'm going to be making a Halloween staff. I'm going to be using this wooden dowel and some hot glue. I'm going to use the hot glue to wrap around the staff in swirling motions to create cool patterns and look nice. And however you do it doesn't really matter as long as it looks cool and unique. And I'm also adding glue tendrils to the bottom of the swirls to add a little bit extra texture and niceness. And also make sure to be careful when touching glue because it can be really hot and you don't want to burn yourself. Next, we're going to use some paint. I'm using black paint to change the color of the staff to whatever you want it to be. So I'm just put the paint on a brush and I'm just rolling the staff over the brush to put black paint in all of the crevices around the glue and wooden dowel. And then to add extra color and detail, I'm using this gold orange paint and I'm just painting over the swirls. And it looks like this. Next, to add a top centerpiece to the staff, I am going to hot glue a Lego onto the top and then cover it in glue. I'm also using this shaping tool to just like put it in the place I want it to be. This is how it looks so far. So for the final part, I'm going to be adding more of that sparkly orange paint onto the newly glued Lego glue part of the staff to tie the entire thing together and make it look really pretty. I am also using the hot glue gun to like shape it a little bit more and just going through and making it exactly how I want it to be. And now the staff is done, and I think that it turned out really great and better than I expected it to be. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more doll DIYs, and of course, happy Halloween.